I think with the sentencing now of the terrible crime in Lakewood, a police officer being murdered, we're seeing renewed attention to the death penalty. And I think it's important that we keep this issue on the front burner so that when the opportunity does arise, we can possibly get support to have the bill posted for a vote by the Senate. The good news was that Reed Gucciero, the assemblyman who had the bill to repeal the death penalty in the Assembly, stated after the brutal murder of the Lakewood policeman that he believed that he would absolutely support and vote for the renewal of the death penalty. And I think when people take a look at the horrific crimes we're talking about, the murdering of a police officer on duty, the murdering of a child, a serial killer, these type of horrific crimes certainly deserve the death penalty. And it's a shame that unfortunately the Senate President, Steve Sweeney, as well as the Speaker, Speaker Oliver, will not allow this bill to be voted on in the legislature because they know it's going to pass. There are enough votes to pass it in both houses, and the Governor Christie, has said if it reaches his desk, he will sign it. The problem is they're afraid of their base. Their liberal base has made an absolute commitment that they will not, do not want to see the repeal come back in, the death penalty placed back in. They've made that a major issue. I've called for it to be the order of the day several times. Most recent time was the day they posted the bill for the gay rights marriages, and I said, what's more important in life to deal with right now? Bringing back the death penalty for horrific crimes or dealing with gay marriage? Unfortunately, the Senate President picked gay marriage, and so did the majority of the senators on the Democratic side as opposed to the Republican side. Unfortunately, it's become political football, and until such time as the public outcries are so great, we're just not going to see the bill posted.